Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in partnership with Aleilo. It's a new Dominican brand, and yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and start this review. So as you guys can see, my hair is looking a little rough, really dry and hella knotted. I'm showing you guys here, and this is their shampoo and conditioner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and first shampoo my hair. It smells really good, but if you have kinky curls, I do think this shampoo might be a little drying for you, but overall it's extremely good, and it left my hair super clean. I just go ahead and rinse it off, and I begin the process of putting their deep conditioning in, a reconstruction mask, and it's made out of argan and oil. This brand is completely paraben free, sulfate free, and it's really good for curly hair. It's just natural overall, so I just love it. And then I go ahead and put on their conditioner, and I rinse it all off. It was so moisturizing for my hair. I really think the deep moisturizer and the conditioner are key. Then after my shower, I go in with their leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is so bomb, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And I do have a discount code, y'all. It is 10% off. If you guys want to buy individual products instead of the whole set, because it brings a straightening spray and it also brings like a little oil. I did use the oil when I had my hair straight. It was really good, but yeah. So here guys, I am using the blow dryer and I have it on cool, but I also do mix it in with a little bit of heat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, especially because I'm in a rush and it's winter. I don't want to get sick. Last year I got hella sick because I used to do wash and goes, but this left my hair looking so good. This is only the leave-in conditioner, y'all. I didn't even have to use a cream or any oils. I didn't have to lock. I just put in the leave-in conditioner, and this is my hair. I do suggest to use this leave-in conditioner with a cream afterwards, but I just wanted to show you guys how I used it only with the leave-in conditioner. So yeah guys, don't forget to use my discount code, and I will see you guys soon.